Don't have an ice maker? No problem. You could still make martinis. In fact, I don't like to do the shaking of the martinis. And this is the reason why. Yes, the ice crystal on top of the glass is wonderful. However, then I have to put this in the sink, put this in the dishwasher, and then get up in the morning. Then in the morning when I come down to get my coffee, I have to take it out of the dishwasher and put it away. I like minimal steps, so we're removing this. Frozen glass in the freezer. You don't need ice. Frozen gin, vodka, whatever it is that you have. This is the fastest way. You can make cocktails like this, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You'll get a little drunk kind of really fast. I'm gonna add an ounce of water, which is what water would have melted from the shaker. And then I'm gonna garnish it with the peeler. This has a lot of essential oils on the inside. You want to rub it outside of the glass. And now you have a quick martini. No mess. Hello, old friend. Delicious.
All right, this is martini.
This is martini.
Take 2.
Ice, when you're shaking ice, you lose 20% into water. That's about an ounce of water. I'm just gonna add an ounce of water. Damn it. I'm gonna add an ounce of water